Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Wednesday, March 26th. Turnaround Tuesday continues to hold, up 0.5% yesterday, 1859.5, up 10 points in the E-mini S&P. The session high was 1864.5, and we pushed the markets higher once again. Dow futures up 96, 16,298. The Nasdaq still lagging behind a little bit, 3624, up 13 on the day, but did have a nice bounce off those lows. Currencies are quiet. We had the dollar up one tick at 80.09. Now the range on the dollar was between 80.42 and 80 even. So that support on the downside has held one more time. Keep an eye on that 80 even pivot on the dollar index. Euro currency down 12, 138.25, still above the 138 level to keep an eye on there. Bond market quiet as well, down one tick at 133.02. The range in the treasuries, the 30-year anyway, was only 20 ticks as it's trying to find direction. Seeing a little bit of unwinding possibly as the stock market recovers here in the bond market. Crude oil down 40 cents at 99.20. Can't close above the 100 level. The high yesterday was 125 cents. $100.25 a barrel was the high in crude in the market yesterday. And the good news for gold is it's not going down anymore. It's not going up, but it's not going down. It was unchanged yesterday at 13.11. The high was 13.18 and the low was 13.06. So after the bounce back here yesterday on Tuesday, where did the market stand on this Wednesday morning? Well, we're positive once again. We're up more than 0.25% here this morning. We're at 1865.5, up 6.5 in the E-mini S&P. We're up 55 points in the Dow futures, 16,353, and we're up 17 in the Nasdaq, starting to play a little catch up there at 36.41 in the Nasdaq futures. Now, looking at the S&P, the all-time forever high up above is only 15 points higher at 1880.5. So keep that in mind watching the markets. We've got the dollar a little bit firmer, 80.24. We've got the euro currency back below 138, 137.98, down 27 ticks. Bonds are off 6, 132.27. The yield on the 30-year treasury is at 3.6%, and on the highly watched 10-year note, guess where we are at? Obviously 2.75, right middle of the range and stuck at this level. Crude oil up 10 cents, 99.30, and gold up $4 at $13.50, so starting to form a base with support at $1,300 an ounce. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're positive again. We're up more than 0.25%, 1865.5 in the E-mini S&P, up 6.5, and up 55 points in the Dow futures, 16,353. I will see you early Thursday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.